Hi English lovers, I welcome you in this video of Best Speaker of the Week competition. As we know that I have started India English bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. You can also participate in this Abhiyan and just you can be great English speaker. Every week I just provide all my students one topic. They create the video, they send me, and few videos just I choose, and after that I start the voting. You can vote and you can make the speaker best English speaker, and who will win, who will get more and more votes, who will win, who will become best English speaker, as well as he will get the certificate as well as reward. Your vote is very valuable, so please write in the comment box I vote for, after that speaker's name, and really it will be amazing and I will be always grateful to you, because the mission of India English bolega Abhiyan, it will be possible because of your help. Thank you. That's enough for today. Please watch and vote.
Hi friends, my name is Dr. Kama Goswami from Gomachirabad, and this week our topic was Holi. You know that the Holi is a color festivals, and I like Holi, and most of the people like Holi. And we eat delicious food, and most of the people eat delicious food and many more things. They do enjoy a lot of enjoy. They play with her friends and her families. We should celebrate this festival in our friends and in our family. And I like this festival, and most of the Hindus like this festival, and most of Hindus like other festivals as Diwali, as Karma Puja. There are lots of festivals, so they like other. And I like most it, and my friends like it, and my friends are very excited. When will it come? When will it come? And me too, I am excited. I will excited. I was excited. Then when will come Holi? After that, I buy a lot of color and balloons. After that, we play and we worship the God. Thank you. Bye, friends. Bye.
Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning. I hope so well. I am doing well. Thank you for giving this opportunity in this time. My name is Rekha Malani. I am from Nagpur, the village in near Parsompur. Let's start my topic. My topic is Holi. My topic is amazing topic. This month is spring month in this year, and it is a special of it is a color of festival. Is it is a fun fair, all enjoying a fun fair festival. And it is many delicious types of food, singing a song. And mm, we my family goes to nearby celebrations holy, and we light moonlight on bonfire, and first and lights to on bonfire celebrations in time. And we revoiling ebullitions caring me do the workshops. And and my family came to my home, and we blessing we take the blessings all to each other. And second is the colors of festival. It is a types of colors like gulal and soft color, and raw colors and strong color. I applied the colors. My husband and son daughter is a gulal color, and he as went out of my house, my friends, and smeared the face and feet. Uh, we, we hug to each other.
Good morning, all of you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Today's our topic is Holi celebration. As we know that Holi is the festival of colors. So in this day, peoples comes together, peoples and family comes together, and they celebrate Holi. And we in this day we distribute sweets. We also make gujia, pakodas, and we distribute sweets to the family as and a friend. And in this day, so some if somebody don't know that why we are celebrating Holi as the festival, so there is a story behind this. So guys, I am going to tell you the story and you will enjoy. So the story of this Holi is behind the story, that is the we call that the Heda Kashyap and the Prahlad story. And as we know that Heda Kashyap uh, is the devotee of Lord Brahma. So Heda Kashyap got blessing from the Lord Brahma that he would not be killed in a day as well as in night, and he cannot killed by any weapon as well as anything. So so each and every god fears from the Hiranyakashyap. So he thought that he become god. He is immortal. He thought that he is immortal, so he cannot die. So, but his son, Hiranyakashyap's son Prahlad is the devotee of Lord Vishnu. So, so he wants that everybody worship him. But but Prahlad denied that I will worship you as well as you are my father. So I will also worship you, but I do not quit to worship the Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu. So Hiranyakashyap tries to kill Prahlad so many times, and he took so many weapons, and he also threw the Prahlad from the mountain, and uh, he put Prahlad inside the elephant. So elephant, but whenever Hiranyakashyap tried to kill Prahlad, he was only chanting the name. He would only chants the name of Lord Vishnu, that Om Vishnuvaya Namah. He was chanting like that only. But then he was worried that will I kill how will I kill the Prahlad. Her sister, the Hiranyakashyap's sister, her name is Holika. So she got a she got a blanket which was given by the Lord Brahma, that blanket is cannot burn from with anything. So she thought that I will tie the Prahlad on myself and I will sit on the fire. Then, uh, then after that, when the fire begins, Holika burned, and the Prahlad was only chanting the name Lord Vishnu, Om Vishnuvaya Namah. He was chanting like that only. But after that, when after that when Hiranyakashyap is worried that how will I kill Prahlad. So then when Hiranyakashyap did these things, that he tries to burn the Prahlad, then the Lord Vishnu is become very angry, and he incarnation himself as a we call him, he incarnation himself as a um, he, as a Narsimha. He called himself as a Narsimha, and he took the incarnation of a Narsimha. Then after that he killed the Hiranyakashyap evening time. So as we know that the Hiranyakashyap has a blessing that he cannot die in a morning as well as in night. So the and he cannot die from any weapon. So the Lord Vishnu killed him in a evening time with his big nail. As we know that Lord Vishnu took the incarnation of Narsimha. So Narsimha have a big nail. So he just put the Hiranyakashyap in his thigh, and he just tire the stomach of Hiranyakashyap. And in that day in his kingdom everybody was celebrating with her colors. So that's why in this day we are celebrating Holi with colors. So I think Holi is not a festival. Um Holi Holi is the festival that we forgive all our enemies, and we should go and hug each other, and we should forget the conflicts, and that's all for today, everyone.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Heman Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys I'm here to speak about new topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is Holi. So Holi is a colorful festival of Hindu. Holi is celebrated in month of March every year. Holi is celebrated with great joy and happiness all over the country. This festival is celebrated in honor of Prahlad's victory over Holika. It is a victory of good over evil. On the day of Holi, a big fire is lighted in the evening, and some people worship the holy fire. Some people observe a fast on that day, and they break their fast only after worshipping the holy. The next day of Holi is celebrated as Duleti. Duleti is a colorful festival. People throw gulal, water, and water balloon each other to each other. So Holi is a very colorful festival, and Duleti is also a very colorful festival, and we celebrate this festival with great joy and happiness. But there is a beautiful story behind the celebration of Holi. The story is once upon a time there was a king named Hiranyakashipu, and he had only son named Prahlad. Prahlad used to speak all the time Jai Sri Hari, Jai Sri Hari, Jai Sri Hari, and Hiranyakashipu did not like that, because Hiranyakashipu wanted to believe people in him as God. So Hiranyakashipu Hiranyakashipu wanted teach the Prahlad lesson. Hiranyakashipu had a sister named Holika, and Holika had a boon that fire could not harm her. So Holika took the Prahlad and set in the wood fire. But by God grace, uh, Prahlad's life was saved, and Holika burned to ashes. So it is it is a victory of good over evil. So we should celebrate Holi with great joy and happiness. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.